Hello, good afternoon to all of you. What a lovely day. Lovely day to play golf. The kids are at school. So we're off to ourselves with my wifey as my caddy
Hi
for
there.
today. Say hello.
Hello.
See guys. So we're just gonna do front nine today. So see you guys at the end.
Hole 1. Practice swing muna. Need to loosen the hips. LM on the tee. Puno. There.
Tama?
Oo, sa puno. Second shot. Hole 1. Diyan sa puno.
Malas naman, di ba umano? Mama sa puno.
Yan o. Fourth shot. Hole number 1. Bitin ka. Yan o. Nice one. Ooh! Uy, muntik na!
Oh, so pin out sana yun, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Grabe.
Sa ano yun eh?
Bugi sana.
Sa flag. Pasok nga yun. Tingin ko din. Nice one. Nice.
Double box.
This is hole number 2. Par 3. Lamig ng hangin, no? Saan napunta? Hindi ko nakita.
So, off at par 3, hole number 2. Ezra. Ibit mo lang ano, left hand straight. Nice. Goods. Goods. Okay lang.
Nice. Bumaba, oh, sa puno. Doon banda. Oo.
Sayang, di mo.
Oo nga.
May Bebes on her second shot.
Hirap ko di ah.
Oh, sige. Lakasan mo lang yan. Masyado ka malayo. Yan. Angat mo. Turn ka, mag-turn. Yan, ganun. Sige, sige. Nice. Good. Napayangat. MBS on his third shot. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Sayang.
Yan. Huwag gumagalaw katawan mo, kamay lang. Kung kamay lang ka mo, kamay lang. Move katawan mo. Sige. Fourth shot for my Bebes. Bunker.
LM on his third shot. Nice one. Gumulong pa. Okay. Double bogey. Ay. Max ka na? Sayang. This is hole 3, par 5. LM on the tee. LM on the tee. Hole number 3. Nice, it's straight. Hindi ko nakita. Second shot. Lumabas lang. Lumabas lang. Shot number 3. Nice. Andun. Oo. Sa left.
Kita mo, kita yung zoom.
Oo.
Ganda nun.
This is your fourth shot. Aim for straight.
Ay, gago.
Na-behind ka. It's okay. Dyan. Alright, shot 5. Pitching par today. Nice one.
Goods. Goods tayo.
Oo.
Maganda mga pitching ko ngayon.
Pating bogey. Na, ay, short. Double bogey.
Yung shoot, basa. Double bogs.
Double bogey.
Hindi talaga yung pangit na pangit eh, no?
Oh, so far
Tagilid, ganun.
so far so good. We're off to hole number 4. Hole number 4. LM on the tee. Getting ready. Weather is so nice. Sunny. Saan yung green de? Likod ng puno. Yep. Yun, ganda.
Sa puno.
Oo. Diyan banda, oh.
Ganda no?
Oo, ganda. Nice one.
Hindi, gumulang. Okay na yun. Okay na yun doon. Second shot for Ezra May. Sige, yun lang. Yan, flat na. Yun! Yun, yun lang. Okay lang.
Ito pa rin.
Fourth shot for Ezra May. Chill lang. Left hand straight. Yun! Goods.
Paikli-ikli lang.
Fifth shot for Ezra May. Saan ako malayo?
Talaga?
Yan. Top yun. Yun lang.
Nabasa ko, no? Second shot. Hole 4. Go, Bess. Kumaliwa ka. Lagpas. Lagpas ka sa burol. Shot 2. Hole 4. Na behind. It's okay. Ayun, gumulong. That's good. More. Diyan banda.
Fifth shot for Ezra May. Yun! Ganda pa yung tira mo kayo sa akin, no? Goods! Nice.
Birdie pag 1 under, di ba? Pitching birdie. Go for it. Nice. Layo lang konti. Diyan, no?
Ganda sana.
Oo.
Ito na. Sixth shot. Yun! Ganda best. On the green. Nice. Pating ka na. 7th shot. Okay lang, oh. Yeah. Chat. Shoulder lang ang galaw, walang wrist. Walang hips. Hina. Binaby mo eh. Yeah. Okay lang, okay lang. Umus ko lang sarili mo. Yun, ganda na no, ganun sana. Ako na.
Pitching par. Go, 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 go. Pitching bogey. Hey, bitin. Double bogey. Double bogey. Nice. Okay, not bad. Here at hole number 5, par 4, with the husband on the tee. Nice. Good. On the fairway. Good job. 2. Hole 5. Puno.
Puno. Sayang, nagsasabi na.
Nandyan banda. Shot! Nice. Ay!
Yes, yung sahod mo yun.
Kala mo naman meron. Magtrabaho nang naaayon sa sahod. Eh, walang sahod. Go de. Ito ay ano? Fourth? Fifth? Fourth. Par. For par. Go, 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 go. Oh, short. For bogey. Ooh, double bogey ka pa. Hole number 6. LM on the tee. Oh! Puno. Ayun, tumawid. Oo, tumawid. Doon sa gitna ng mga puno. At sure ka, pitching? Oo, ayos. Yun.
Ito na out, no?
Oo, nice. Diyan banda.
Gusto kong tira, nangyari.
Third shot. Nice.
Ganda. Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun.
Fourth shot. Whew. For bogey. Go, go, go. Ay, bitin. Double bogey. Oh, triple ka pa. Kamura ka naman. Nice. Hole 7, par 5. Kaliwa. Ang layo. Sa kabilang fairway. Second shot. Ayan pala yun. Din pala din yung flag, oh. Oo. Hindi lumabas. Number 3. Good eh. Yun. Ayos yun. Yun, sa bunker. Fairway, medyo bunker. Oo. 4. Okay lang. Sobra ka nga. Hmm.
Ang ganda ng out ko nun.
Lumulong sa baba. For bogey. Oh! Oh! Nice! Yes! Nice one. Long putt yun ah. Galing. Nice. Nice. Hole 8, par 3. LM on the tee.
Kuha ng bola mo ah.
Sige. Ayos. Nakachamba. Good. Go, Dad. Par 3. Hole 8. First shot. Nice one. Dan banda. Yan banda.
Kunin mo, kunin mo. Ezra on the tee. Goods. Nice. Goods yan. Second shot for Ezra May. Yun, ganun lang. Oh, goods. Okay lang. Lapit na rin, oh.
LM second shot.
Third shot. Yun! On the green. Good job, Bess. Nice one.
Pitching par. Bitin ka. Magpat ka? Bogey. For bogey. Go, go, go. Ooh, nice. That's good. Double bogey. Uy, triple ka pa. Triple bogey. Max yun.
Ezra May reading the green. Fifth shot. Nice speed. Nice speed, nice speed, nice speed. Oh my God! Ito, ginagaling. Talo mo pa ako dito sa hole na to ah.
Ano ako dito?
5 lang.
Oo, tama. 9, our last hole. LM on the tee. Sa likod ba ng mga puno yung flag? Nice. Ganda. Nandun lang sa ano.
For me on the tee, our last hole. But she doesn't know. She's my last hole. Oh, yung left hand mo, nagtatabingin na naman. Yan, ganun lang. Yun, ganda. Ganda. Goods. Nice one. Alright, so every week we'll try to play golf when our kids are at school. So we're gonna have a break 50 series with my bebes. So medyo nahihirapan pa ako mag-break 50.
Wish as well.
Let's see on the following series. Hope you guys like and subscribe. See ya. Parang driver lang din yan. Second shot for my bebes. Umangat ka. Steady lang ulo. Yun. Good, okay lang. Basta nag-move ka. Third shot for my bebes. Yun. Goods.
Nice one.
Ganda, di ba?
LM second shot. Ayos. On. I think it's on. Hindi. On siya.
Shot for my baby. Fourth shot. Okay lang. Hindi umangat, sayang. Fifth shot. Okay lang. Good. Nagkatabi tayo ng bola. Sixth shot. Huwag mo ni-hinge ka agad. Yun, ganoon. Okay lang dun. Straight lang
Oo. Third shot. Par ano to de? Par 4. Nice one. Ganyan lang?
Ganun lang. Hindi mo mas may control.
The bogey master. Char. Kinulang. Double bogey. Nice. Oh! Triple pa.
Paano na yan?
Hindi ko alam. Pang marami na.
7 yata, 6.
Ata to eh.
Pagpasok mo yan, pantay tayo.
Talaga?
Hmm. Oy! Sayang. Okay. Goods. Nice game. So, I don't know what my score is yet. So
Ay,
we're
ano
done.
muna?
We're done with our 9 holes, but I'm not done with my 8th, 19th hole.
Naman to.
See ya.